Bodega Boys.
Hello, it's your boy Jonathan Nathaniel Mashburn here for BX12 News. We're at the press conference with Sean Carter, aka Jigga, aka Jehovah, aka Joe Camel, aka Beyonce's cheating ass husband. He has an announcement that he wants to make. It's in regards to his throwing Colin Kaepernick under the fucking his deal with the NFL.
It's right.
Well, Jay-Z, what do you have to say?
Well, I did a deal with the NFL, you know what I'm saying? Because, the only way that you could change things is from inside, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, okay, we protested, but now we got to take action, which is why I'm also joining forces with another organization, you know what I'm saying? I came here to make that announcement, you know what I'm saying?
What organization are you working with?
I would like to announce, you know what I'm saying, that The Rock is teaming up with the NYPD, you know what I'm saying, black and blue, you feel me? So I would like my steaks, because I'm rich, nigga, you know what I'm saying, I don't give a fuck. But what we gonna do is like, B, can you come like sing a little bit? I'm having a panic attack right now. But we're going to join the communities together, you know what I'm saying? Because our souls are colorless, so we need the NYPD to understand that, all lives matter.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Okay. Yo, Memphis Bleak dropping next quarter. Do the drop, yo. The Bodega Boys podcast. Let's switch your gears real quick, you know what I'm saying? It's also available on Tidal. Yo, do the drop, yo. Beans, shoot these niggas, please. It's The Rock, I'm out, peace. Shit, I need to say anything.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
We're not going to the Rock Nation brunch. Yo, it's your boys. This is nice.
We're in a hat all day.
We're in a hat all day. Just be outside like, yo, Peckus. Yo, Peckus, let me in. Let me in, you bagel face nigga. Yo, it's episode 168. Like the infamous 168th Street in the Bronx where a nigga probably got shot. I don't know that for a fact.
That's a fact.
But I know that for a fact.
Yeah, that's an
you know what I'm
fact.
saying?
Absolute fact.
We're reunited. The rumors are demise.
Right.
They're not true. We did not get canceled.
Nah.
We were not murdered.
Wildin'.
I did not die trying to look at a turtle in the bottom of a bay in Maui. My man did not get murdered over here in Hershey Park.
Nah.
At all.
And I was breaking all the rules, going down the water slide head first. I don't care.
Hershey Park, only place they check your blood glucose level before you go in. They was like, whoa, big man. Yo, big man.
Yo, sir.
Big man.
My man, I don't know.
Big man.
I don't know.
Yo, you gonna lose an arm.
Look at the sign.
Just the smell alone. I can't risk it.
Your fam, I know.
You know you in a fucked up place where the signs have like, height requirement, this, that, the third. Also, you must not be under the influence of any alcohol or drugs to ride
Fuck
this one.
that.
I was like, fuck that
sign.
I'm taking the bottle head.
You're not my boss. Punch the sign in the face.
You're not my father. I'm just playing the sign.
Do what I want.
Do what I want.
Yeah, in Hawaii they had mad signs that was just basically like, yo, nigga, if you swim here, you're dying. They was like, look out for jellyfish, look out for jagged rocks, look out for undertow. Ain't no lifeguards here. Da. You want to die?
Yeah.
And I was like, fuck that. Put my black Air Force Ones and hopped in there.
Let's get it.
Because you know what? The ocean's afraid of black Air Force Ones. It was like,
chill.
Leave that nigga alone. He a real nigga.
The coral just wanted to say,
like,
yo, chill. The whole reef just disappeared. Like, yo, no.
Because what I learned is any sneaker can be a water sneaker.
Yeah.
And Timberlands, listen.
Dog.
I can't be stepping on coral.
Fam, I was all up in these water parks, though. There's niggas in foams jumping in the baby pool, nigga.
Fuck
like,
that.
I'm like, yo, how did you get into the pool in an entire outfit?
Don't worry about that.
Like, nigga, you wearing your bow jean shorts in the pool.
I'm swimming through the Pacific with sharks and shit. I got the wild tech suit zipped up to the top.
I'm like,
got the hood on. I'm like, arr. The orc was like, oh, real nigga alert.
oh, word, shit, real. Oh, shit, yo, come through.
Yo, watch out, there's a net over there.
Yo, shit, yo. Got you, my nigga.
Yeah. Nets are like undercover cops in the ocean.
That's right.
For sea life.
That's right.
Applaud me.
You know what I'm saying?
Applaud me. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta protect the ocean and shit.
It'll be third eye, you know what I'm saying? Shut down all aquariums.
Oh yeah.
Actually, wait until I get high and go to them first, and then you can close them.
Nah, we don't have a place to. It's like opening. Unlike Nas, who wants to open every cell in Attica
and send them to Africa.
Africa's like,
we
nah,
have
we
to
have
have
a proposal
we're good.
here.
The entire continent is like, yo, we're
We
good.
can't. Where are we putting all these fish? We're releasing all these fish.
Nigga, new Popeye
We going to
sandwich.
fucking. Wow. Boo this man. Oh.
Yeah, you niggas is getting an orca, fried orca.
I mean, shout out to that Popeye sandwich. It ain't that much chicken in the world, nigga.
It's just not homophobic. That's the only difference. It's slightly tastier and less homophobic than Chick-fil-A. Yeah. It's 99% less homophobic.
Also, Popeye smell good as fuck, but then you could taste the sodium.
It smells good not so much coming out.
Yeah, you bite into that skin, you like, oh shit.
hold
You're
up.
like, damn, I want to have kids and shit.
Nigga, the skin is a meal in itself. Like, if you go to fucking Popeyes and order a breast, nigga, and eat that fucking skin off that breast to see if you can eat the rest of the shit.
If you were a nasty kid, like if you was a nasty kid, Popeye's chicken tastes like scabs.
Yeah. The crunchier the better.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta eat that shit right away. That shit gets soggy, like, ew.
This is nasty.
Nasty.
I'm gonna put this in my pillow, save it for later.
I just put the skin on the windowsill, let it dry out and shit, like it's fucking.
There was a kid. Oh shit.
Dates?
What was his name? Oh, I forgot his name. We'd have to blur it out anyway. But he used to eat other kids' scabs.
Oh,
Great. I know he's a serial killer now.
Oh, definitely.
He definitely got some bodies in his mother's basement.
Oh, you sick fuck. That's why you got 6 mini fridges, deep freezers in your basement, you fucking maniac.
It stinks down here.
It smells like.
Why are you burning all these candles?
Don't worry about it.
He's always scrubbing the floorboards.
Don't worry about it. Nigga slams the freezer down mad hard when she comes down. Don't look in there.
Why you got my Ginsu knife?
Stop. It's my vintage ice cream collection.
That's my good deboning knife. I need it for chicken. What'd you do? The blade's all dull.
Dog. Like, I understand killing a nigga. Like, you can do it in the heat of the moment and shit. But then after, it's like, oh shit. Like, now what? Like, do I throw this thing in the ocean?
Listen, you gotta finish what you started.
Do I leave homie here?
Nah, because that's easy. But it's like, fuck
throw him in a wood chipper. Like,
Think
what do you do?
If you go to jail for killing a nigga and like all you did was like shoot him and just like walk away, that's kind of whack. But you're like, yo, you know what? Let's make this a Law and Order episode.
He's like, yo, he put this thing in a suitcase.
Exactly.
In pieces.
There you go.
They found one in Queens, one in Staten Island.
You pay taxes. Make those officers work. Right? Drop a finger to sink at Popeyes. All right?
Yo!
With the cryptic note, y'all go gaga for sandwiches.
You fucking picture this like, this fucking sick fuck. I found a cock on the side of I-80 in fucking Montvale.
He's the Popeye sandwich killer.
That's what he does.
That's what he does.
He waits
eats a
outside.
sandwich and leaves a body part. What the fuck?
In between the buns.
He must have been waiting 45 minutes with a fucking torso in his back pocket.
It's disgusting.
Disgusting.
You believe this guy?
How does one even eat? After, let me get two spicy sandwiches. You want the dirty rice?
Actually, you know what?
You know what?
That's what I used to call my ex-girlfriend.
We'll get a quarter pound of the Puerto Rican rice. And throw some mashed potatoes in there, sweetheart.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah.
You got some nice cans.
How spicy is the spicy? Because I don't like too spicy.
Yeah.
All right?
I just had gastric bypass. I can't
take it easy.
Can't get too spicy with that. It's gonna affect my Cialis.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
It's when it's time, it's time.
When it's time, it's time.
You know
It's not my time though.
Yeah, exactly.
Can't be walking around here with like the big dick.
Yeah, exactly.
Walking around a big black Asiatic dick.
Fucking Paula says get fucking Viagra instead of Cialis. You want me to walk around with a bone all day? You fucking crazy broad?
Now I got the red eyes.
Huh?
I got red eyes redder than the devil's dick. I'm looking Jamaican.
I already see blue. Now I'm seeing double blue.
Okay, don't need those problems.
Fucking crazy broad.
How many times, Also, I mean, how many times can you watch Star Wars if you know what I mean?
Hey,
come
on.
Learn some new tricks.
Come on,
listen to a Devin album, make that pussy blow a cigarette.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe you shave your fucking asshole once in a while.
Yeah.
Huh? How about that?
Then I can nibble it like a gerbil. We're on vacation, What happens in Honolulu stays in Honolulu.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay?
We're out here in Belmar.
Listen, I use all my days in points for this. Right? You want some dick before continental breakfast or after?
Yeah.
Because listen, I'm getting those fucking bagels.
Guess what I got to? 2 tickets to see the man himself, Bon fucking Jovi.
Oh my God, say it isn't so.
Yeah, that's right.
Where's he performing?
At the fucking thing over there.
Oh my God, at the Days Inn?
Yeah.
Oh my,
In the little Rex, the little conference room, man.
He's staying in the Days Inn. That's across the street from our Days Inn.
That's right.
Wow.
And I got 2 tickets to
You
go.
gotta take an Uber all the way down to make a U-turn and come back on Ronkonkoma Boulevard.
That's right, baby. Are you slippery when wet?
I get that reference.
Oh
My God, it's 4:00. I'm gonna start doing my hair now.
Hey.
I'll be ready by 7.
Tommy used to work on the docks. How about you work on this cock, huh?
Come on. Come on, this is Benihana's.
Prosciutto wild in Benihana's.
Oh, shit.
He's like, I love the Oriental food.
Yo, shout out to Delta that ran out of food in first class. Coming back from Houston.
Sir?
Also, shout out Sheila and Darrell, my black first class flight attendants that kept it 100% real, and they had a too long conversation about power. And I know all the white people were like, "What the fuck is this? I did not pay for this. What is this, Soul Plane?" But so like they ran out of food. All they had left was like a salmon salad.
Oh, God.
Fam, it's like a 9 a.m. flight. And I was like, I said to Shorty, she was like, "Oh, we got left for salmon salad." I was like, "Yo, keep it real with me. That shit trash." She was like, "Yeah."
That shit's right. Keep it fucking.
She was like,
I didn't even waste your time, dog.
And then shout out to the guy behind me who was like wild zesty because he was like, "Salmon? Are you crazy, honey? I'm not eating fish on this can." I was like, I was like, he's 100% right. And the person next to him ordered it. He was like, "I had fish once in the air, never again." Fair warning. I was like, yeah, we definitely going back to New York. I love it.
Oh, shit.
Also, as soon as you get back to New York, that first rat you see, you get a tingle in your eye. Like,
you're
oh,
like, yo.
shit.
Nigga taps you up. He's like, "Yo, welcome home." It's like the mellow fucking video shit. Like, "I'm coming home."
You hear that like fucking bell sequence from Selena's "Dreaming of You."
Like, yo, thank you. It's great to be back and shit. The rat got an iPad with your name on it.
Yeah,
and shit.
girl, welcome home.
Yeah,
This mean you at baggage claim with American flags and shit. Clapping 2 Tims.
Niggas also your driver and shit. Niggas like, "Mr. Baker."
Hold on. Let me help you with that luggage.
Yeah.
It's just 2 pieces.
Just 2. Follow me. Yo, goddamn.
Oh. Good times. We're enjoying this vacation.
Hell yeah,
But
bro.
listen, we're just recharging. Shout out to Showtime.
know what I'm
Network
saying?
allowing us to have a vacation. Think of that. Wow.
Wow.
Anyway, we're on vacation. We're recharging our batteries, getting new stories,
You know what I'm saying?
new jokes, new offensive shit. To
Word.
do when the show comes back.
Get ready.
Still being 2 days a
saying?
week. You know what I'm saying? Ain't shit changed.
You still getting double penetrated.
Double penetrated
Weekly.
in your pineal gland. Think about that. Think about that. A heavy grunt. It's like, ouch, that's my bone.
Yo, I've watched less Pino now that I'm on vacation.
I've watched less Pino. I smoke more weed.
Oh, so you definitely
because
smoke more weed.
I have more free time.
Yeah.
I'm flying to that weed, nigga. My neighbors be looking at me because I be on that balcony like, they be like, "Yo, he is fucking stressed."
Yo.
What the fuck? They're like, "It's 3:45 a.m."
Damn.
I was out there with no shirt on, like,
Dog, I'm outside barefoot in Ola's shirtless with 2 chains on, smoking a blunt and shit. And my neighbors are like, damn. Let's call the real estate agent.
I was at the beer garden yesterday watching the Mets game, just slamming down the beers, and like this guy just stared at me.
Oh, you must have been drunk.
Well, you know what? You know what it is? Because I knew the Yankees had off yesterday,
Yeah.
and then also the Mets game yesterday was a must-win for them.
Yo,
or else
word.
they're out of like the wild card, and now they're 5 out. And because like I like to enjoy other people's pain,
Yeah.
I went to watch it.
Yeah.
I went to watch other Mets fans.
They were getting spanked by the Cubs. They lost to the Cubs like 10 some whatever.
Hate to see it. They had a nice little run. They made a
little comeback.
Listen, they did a very Knicks-ish comeback.
Yo, my man asked me this question. This is a wild question. I want to get your take on it.
Let's go.
Is it harder to be a Knicks fan or a Mets fan?
Is it hard to be a Knicks fan or a Mets fan? That's an absolutely that's a ridiculous question.
That's ridiculous.
That's a ridiculous question.
I'm gonna hang up on you right now.
The Mets were in the World Series not even 4 years ago.
Right.
When was the last time the Knicks were in the finals?
That was my argument.
Uh-huh.
The counterpoint was cool, but like y'all haven't won shit in so long that when you actually
make some type of progress. Like the Mets will go on a run of like being good for like 3 seasons in a row, and then just be trash for 5 years.
Right.
The Knicks has just been trash for like 40 years.
Right. So it's harder to be a Knicks fan.
But I feel like there's more ingrained hope in being a Knicks fan. You know what I'm saying? Because the Mets are always it's worse than like almost getting there. I was gonna say something wild problematic.
I can't even imagine what you was.
Yo, it's like when you know what I'm saying? Like you about to get busy and shit, and then it's just like, oh shit, yo, you know what I'm saying?
You come early.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, no. Like, think of like, yes, the Knicks are in our hearts of heart. Well, it was just like, yeah, we're gonna go. We
One
know.
day.
I know we're not getting a championship this season.
I mean, if we
is that going to stop me from tweeting about the shit? No,
absolutely not.
Okay,
absolutely not.
Let the Knicks win 3 fucking games in a row, nigga.
Stupid. Dennis Smith Jr. MVP.
Let's go. RJ Barrett. Let's go.
I'm just picking a random nigga. RJ. Yo, fuck
nigga, I spent the last 4 days picking out outfits for Knick home games. Will you see me sitting next to the Jonas Brothers? Laughing with the Hadidi chick. Okay? All right? Y'all gonna know what it is. All right?
Yo, she's like, hey, that was super whack.
Yo, what's her name? Shorty from Game of Thrones.
Sophie Turner.
Yeah. Yo, Sophie, we gonna burn an L courtside.
Yo, okay? You know what I'm saying? Turn up, you know what I'm saying?
Irregardless if the Knicks are terrible this season, we being courtside.
Who was it that was smoking weed courtside? Matt Blaine? Was it Michelle Rodriguez? This was a couple years back.
Sounds like it.
But it was like wild, brazy, like courtside,
listen,
like yo.
I predicted this.
With the vape.
I'm putting this back in the universe. Me, Mero, Enzo Angor.
That's right.
Smoking a wild fatty baby dick.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Robert Pattinson's Batman now, though.
Let's go.
That's right. Get him back there. Get the suit with the nipples. They can come through.
You know how mad ID is gonna be when the pictures of us courtside, the eyes looking like a fucking puppy's dick.
We're not even watching the game and shit. We niggas on their phones like, yo.
Niggas, I'm staring at all the banners like.
I did the Larry Davis shit, trip RJ Barrett nigga, and the nigga's whole career.
Get those K-pop guys out of here.
Boy, get him out of here.
We don't know who these 2 guys are. They were last seen courtside at Alexander Wang. Oh man,
that's right, nigga. We courtside at fashion shows, nigga. Fuck that front row shit. We making them new shit.
New shit.
You know what I'm saying? We sitting on wood at Alexander Way.
Sitting on wood. Sitting on wood.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't get a splinter.
You know what I'm saying? Hey.
Actually, sitting on wood is a good way to get bedbugs.
Yo! Oh shit!
You got bedbugs?
No! The last day I'm leaving the fucking Hershey Park, nigga, I'm walking out and I'm loading up the whip and shit, and I see the Terminex niggas in there, and they're in the room, and it's 2 niggas, and they're looking at each other. It's like, yo! I was like, no! I was like, yo, fam. I was like, I'm so glad I'm in another building. I was like, yo, y'all niggas got bedbugs up here?
Bedbugs.
Wow!
You gotta be.
You niggas got bedbugs? That's the new shit. Y'all niggas got bedbugs? You just look at a nigga mad and incredulous like, the fuck? Nigga, what kind of life you living?
This nigga eating bees and got bedbugs.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. Damn. Bedbugs change its trajectory of like your friendship and shit.
Fam.
Like,
yo, you get bedbugs, niggas ain't fucking with you no more, dog.
I got rid of them, but let you get 1 itch.
Yo.
1 itch, you like, yo, I'm out of here. I'm off this
whole
you
shit.
Watching the Super Bowl, you like,
oh, hold up.
Nah, fuck that. You play too much. You play too much. Call Roscoe the bedbug dog.
Yo, they come and sniff him out. He's like, yo, they on your ankles, fam.
Yo, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. You got OD bedbugs in this bitch. Like, you might as well just move.
Fuck that.
This is basically their house now. Yo. You get pressed by bedbugs and shit.
Son, I got pressed by my exterminator. Nigga came to the crib because I had ants. And I called him. I was like, yo, there's ants. Nigga came through. And they send a different guy every time. But this guy comes downstairs and I'm like, yo, it's down here. I'm going to show you the thing, whatever. So I'm showing the nigga this shit. And I'm just like in my Olas and like a dirty ass tank top. And the nigga's like, yo, I fuck with the show, but I ain't recognize you without your hat on. You know what I'm saying? But my bad. You know what I'm saying? I was like, damn, son. Damn. I was like, yo, you gonna cook my headline, nigga? I'm paying you, fam. Yo,
relax.
Nigga said, I never seen you with a hat on. I was like, Oh shit! He's like, yo, tell Jesus, so what's up? I fuck with the brand, yo. The brand is strong, yo.
Oh shit! Yo, fam, my mother's house had ants, and I was like, I'm about to call turmeric. My father was like, no. I was like, here we go.
What do we do?
Here we go.
Yeah, toothpaste on the windows.
Like,
what?
Go in the back room behind the oil kink. I was like, oh, Jesus, this is a journey already.
Oh boy, here we go.
He's like, you'll see a container that says ant killer, and I was like,
oh, the boric acid shit?
nah, fam.
Oh, no.
This shit was just like a kerosene. It was an old kerosene thing, but it had like the wild spray nozzle.
Oh, no.
But then it had on the side duct tape, and then written in like black ink on the shit was, it just said ant killer. I think it's his own concoction. And he was like, when you spray it, make sure you wear gloves. And I was like,
fam.
the fuck?
Dog, at some point, like, your dad and my dad were like a nucleus, and they just divided, and one started speaking Spanish and one went to Jamaica. Because my pops, I swear to God, the nigga had to, every summer, the mosquitoes come out. This nigga come out with some shit that got like a skull and crossbones on it.
Oh
Shit
my
says,
God.
do not use around pets or livestock.
Yo.
Nigga sprayed the whole shit, the kid's sandbox, nigga, everything with the shit. Like, okay, now it's good, no moquito.
Yeah, I sprayed that shit on the
I'm like,
ant
yeah, nigga, I got mesothelioma.
I started hearing the ants scream and shit.
Like, nah!
He was like, save the queen! He was just running with eggs and shit. I was like, what kind of shit is this? They was like, there is no God. I'm like, oh shit. It was like mad ants praying to each other and then they killed each other in an ant pack.
Niggas jumping out the fucking
like, yo,
jumping up the anthill.
And I was like, where'd you get this shit? He's like, Chinatown. I was like, you just can't be buying shit for China. He was like, you know, they don't got all those rules and regulation, USDA, and then he just spits on the floor. I was like, yo, you be doing the most. So I was like, I have cancer now, right? He was like, yeah, probably.
I'm like, yo, why am I high? Nigga?
I'm like, yo, why? When I turn off the lights at night where I spray it in the ground, it glows. Is that shit eating away the cement?
Yo.
Oh my God.
Why is there a hole in my foot now?
Oh.
Yo. Shout out to fucking the industrious West Indian parents, though. We will never stop waving the flag for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yo, get that fucking weird tempo from Fordham Road and shit. Whatever the fuck you got to do. You know what I'm saying? Make your own concoctions. Use a lawnmower from 1980. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
so good,
if it could cut grass in the 80s, it can cut grass
now.
in the 20s.
You know what I'm saying?
Whatever. Oh, we in the 20s now, basically.
It's about to be 2020, nigga.
Wow.
Busta Rhymes was mad wrong.
Yes.
Niggas on for like 30 years.
Busta Rhymes and Jehovah's Witnesses.
Oh, the J-Dubs predicted like Y2K shit?
J-Dub's been saying the end be coming for a minute now.
Yo, they're like, yo, it's coming.
Now they can't believe it. Was like, yo, that shit is coming right now. Now they're like, yo, that shit's like an Uber. That shit's like, yo, 7 minutes.
5 minutes shit is just rotating. You just see Jesus on the map rotating.
Jesus Christ, girl. Yo, you know what I was thinking about? With cancelled culture, because the Chappelle shit, everyone's talking about you can't say this, you can't say that, you get canceled. And I was trying to think, who is the only people to ever get canceled? I got it.
Who?
Dinosaurs.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah, they were
Them
wilding.
Niggas got canceled.
They were wilding.
Them niggas got canceled.
They were wilding.
They were wilding.
They were doing too much. They were eating mad shit. They were eating mad red meat. They were leaving a mad carbon footprint. Shitting everywhere.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Yeah.
They didn't have hip hop.
All that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
their whole shit got canceled.
All that shit.
Damn.
Nigga sent an asteroid like, yo, get these niggas out of here.
Asteroid came through like yo. How problematic. How an asteroid came through and yeeted their whole culture.
Nigga say yeet. Fuck y'all niggas. Mammal time.
Gotcha. Asteroid came through like, boy. First Tyrannosaurus tried to point at it with his little arms. He was like,
he's like, yo, look, it's up there. Nigga's like, yo, what are you talking about?
What are you pointing at? I eat plants. I don't see that shit.
It's a meteorite's coming.
How long do you think me and you could live in a world full of dinosaurs? Say something happened, I don't know, Hasan didn't do the microphones right, and we touched them, and we get transported back.
Like Lost World shit?
Yes.
If we, it depends. If
Victor comes with us.
Okay, yeah.
Diana too.
Yeah. All right, we good.
Just the two. Why not?
We good.
Whole family. Hasan, for some reason, can still communicate with us.
Yeah. Nigga.
So he gonna walk us through traps and shit.
Niggas just like, yo.
Turn left at the Brontosaurus, my nigga.
60 minutes. Yo, this is Stegosaurus on your left, my nigga. Be careful. This tail's a wild spiky. Yo, I'm about to throw on that new Ozuna. This shit slap.
How long you think we could last? Victor, how long?
I kill myself. There was a lot, no. There was a lot more oxygen in the atmosphere. I don't give a fuck about a dinosaur. You know how big the roaches and dragonflies were back then?
Oh yeah, they were mad big. The bugs are mad big.
I'm not getting eaten.
Oh no, we're not getting. We were flying on them,
bro.
We're flying on dragonflies.
Nah.
Come on, Victor. I'm disappointed.
There's something.
They breathe through their thorax.
That's true. That's very true. And you can't just stomp them niggas out.
Yeah.
But this is a very important.
I'm using my t-shirt as a saddle.
There's a very important caveat. If we find out how to grow weed,
This nigga eating caviar?
this nigga using words. if we find out how to grow weed,
we got money.
Nigga, we live to 110.
Okay, as Victor, the god, just said, the oxygen was so much richer back then.
Yeah.
You know what that weed was hitting
Nigga,
for,
that shit was loud.
Nigga, that
Loud.
packy. Yow! Nigga, I will get naked and fight a Tarantula. I'm like, nigga, I'll fuck you up.
Fuck y'all, Velociraptor niggas. What's
fuck
up?
it.
I'll fight all 10 of y'all niggas.
Yeah, I'll fight every bitch in Fern Gully. What's
Girl,
good?
What's up?
What's up?
I saw Jurassic Park, nigga. That's spit on me. I dare you.
You all right?
I dare you.
The land before time? The land after your ass wakes up after I knock you out?
Oh, little foot, nigga, I'm about to put my big foot up all up in your ass, nigga.
Just see me choking the shit out of a Stegosaurus. Go sleep, nigga. Go fucking sleep. They come out with his fucking spikes. It's like an Afropunk.
Yeah, I'm just
Shout out Afropunk, which we missed.
No.
Which we missed.
Unfortunately.
It's sad. I was gonna come dressed as both Remy Ma and Papoose.
It's gonna be a beautiful
I was gonna
thing.
just be painted down the
You know
house.
what I'm saying? Beautiful. Black love.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Someone said on Twitter that black people gentrified Afropunk, allowing white people to gentrify Afropunk.
That's too meta for me.
Listen, that's
too meta for me. We've been on vacation. I've been eating my edibles every single day.
I ain't been thinking about shit like that.
Yeah, okay, that's too deep.
That was also the beauty of Hawaii. You're 6 hours behind New York, nigga. Nigga, I would wake up, Trump tweeted some bullshit.
Yeah.
Like, all of New York reacted. Niggas got their tweets off. I come on the timeline mad late, like, what's going on, guys?
Hey.
Oh, shit, it's 1 o'clock? Oh, wow.
I forgot that Twitter does that shit automatically now where, like, it switches to most relevant instead of latest.
Yeah.
So it makes their tweets from, like, 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Like, yo, word. And niggas like, what do you...
That's like 3 days ago and shit. Like, it was like, yo, Trump tried to buy Greenland. I was like, yeah, I'm going to the pool.
Yeah, fuck that.
This.
Fuck this shit, dog.
Fuck this. Like, after a while, like, the real world doesn't become relevant anymore. You're on vacation.
Not at all.
You stop, like, emails. They're like, this is urgent. I was like, to you?
To you, nigga. What's
I was
urgent
like,
is the
fam.
fucking dead rabbit in my pool is
Okay,
more urgent.
nigga, I'm putting on all this sunscreen. Shout out to all the white people at the resorts looking at me like I was wilding when I was putting on sunscreen. We get skin cancer too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put on.
Melanoma. Hello. Wow.
Also, I was for some reason, like I
the
became.
only difference is that we actually rub it in.
Yeah.
And like don't just leave
I
the
was
white
just like,
paste.
I just left the white paste. I was like, fuck all this shit. And I became obsessed with hydration.
Oh yeah.
Like everywhere I went, I just had like a bottle of water,
all that shit.
all types of shit.
Right on
bro.
cue. I'm like,
You know, there was one waterfall and niggas was like, yo, niggas went in there and I was like, it was wild cold and I didn't want to go because it was like running off like a mountain or some shit. And I don't trust nature.
Nah, nature kill you. Nature kill you. Nature killed Steve Irwin when he was bad nice.
And then if you die from nature, you're not getting a bodega mural. Like, you know that shit. So I don't go in it and then like I posted up. That's the picture I'm doing the wild cheese. Like I didn't get no water.
Yeah, what up?
And my boy hit me up like, ooh, yeah, if you get in that water and you have like any open wounds, you're gonna get an infection. Like I had like a staph infection and that shit. Like I was in the hospital for a week when I went. I was like, nigga.
What?
See? That's why you don't leave the Bronx.
God damn.
Don't ever leave the Bronx. There's nothing outside the Bronx. I've been all over the world. There's nothing you need to see that's not available in the Bronx.
Let me tell you something. I'm gonna keep it real.
3rd Avenue is just as good as the Eiffel Tower.
I miss my crib no matter where I'm at. Like I could be in fucking on Mars getting blowjobs from angels, nigga, smoking the best weed on the planet. After 2
Wait,
weeks,
why would angels be on Mars?
I don't know.
Giving blowjobs.
I don't know.
What kind of fucking Frank Ocean lyric is that?
That is right. Yo, don't steal that, Frank. Fucking Channel Orange ass nigga.
I feel angels
tapping me times on Mars.
in my Nike.
They talk comes out like,
Yo, Tyler, I'm Tyler the Creator. Gang wolf. I say stuff that's probably weird. I want to have sex with Funk Master Flex.
That's what you call dick.
Yo, y'all niggas know nothing about that. Yeah.
Oh man,
That was the weirdest like cross pollination of hip hop I've ever seen in my life.
Why are you using all these big words? The fuck?
I'm on vacation, dog. Like my brain is back to functioning.
SAT ass nigga over here.
All the shit that's like usually filled up with like, yo, you got to do work. It's like now it's like, yo, knowledge.
This nigga just using jail words and shit. This nigga got the thesaurus up past him in the cell. Nigga just want to confratulate shit at the cafeteria
my
table.
celly like, yo, why you using mad big words? I'm like, shut the fuck up, nigga, before I defenestrate you, nigga.
A nigga will fucking chop you in your face for using big words. That's wild disrespectful. That shit is wild disrespectful. Like, cause now you trying to make me look stupid in front of people.
That's how you get defenestrated, B.
See? Keep using that word. Keep using that word. See if I don't defenestrate your face. All right? Ask me why I keep asking for raises at commissary, but I still got a beard. Huh?
Yo!
All right?
Yo, this nigga got 8 toothbrushes. And they're all mad sharp.
They all melted down. Niggas like, is that a white noise machine? We need to make a white noise machine for niggas that's been in jail. And like the noises are like niggas sharpening toothbrushes.
Is another Aryan Brotherhood?
Mad niggas yelling.
Yo! CO! CO!
Your cellmate is dope sick.
He's like, shit. Shit. Niggas on the phone. He's like, yo, Yesenia, yo, come on, man.
You also have you got Riot.
Oh, yeah. Yo, oh shit, it's the fucking Three Daniels versus the Blast. Oh shit, yo.
And then you got and then you got the special.
No.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You got the special. Can we get this joke off? Can we get this joke off? I feel like Desus versus Mero wants to get this joke off.
Hit him with it.
You got the special Epstein setting.
Straight up.
Oh, Lord. Could you keep it down over there? It's like, I'll be quick.
Yo.
Now, if you can't joke about a pedophile killing himself, what can you joke about?
Yeah. That's good.
Actually, if you're offended about a joke about
a pedophile murking themselves, you're the problem. You're the problem.
Unless, of course, you're looking at it from the standpoint that solitary confinement is inhumane and no one should be in solitary confinement. Okay. But he wasn't. Didn't he have a cellmate or some shit like that? So,
bro, we all know money talks. When you're rich and you go to jail, should be different. You know what I'm saying? Shit is very different. So I don't think he's probably getting all types of perks. He was on Twitter and shit, like niggas on Instagram trying to book Jenna Shea and shit. Like,
wow,
he was wild.
He did molest a lot of people.
He did. He
had an island. He had Pedo Island off the coast of St. Thomas. So fuck him.
Wow. He had a whole island for pedophilia? Damn,
and everyone thinks how they called it Pedo Island. They knew what it was. But what can you do? What can you do? What you know what I can do? Because Mero made a reference to some real music.
Hip hop. Oh shit. Yeah.
Woo. What y'all know about that Stevie V? Little dirty cash money talks.
Talk to him. Hit him with it.
Money talks.
Yeah.
Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you now. Listen, we gotta have this fucking freestyle Pizza Zoo crossover.
Yo,
listen,
it's gotta happen.
Just like your favorite,
gonna happen.
Just like your favorite DT or your favorite Poppy. Listen,
man.
everyone dressed like someone from the 80s, like they had a coke flow.
You already know.
I want to see all my Dominicans out there with Jerry curls.
Dog.
I want to see all my ladies break out your jellies.
Yo,
come on,
Pizza Zoo gang, you already know what it is.
I want to see the banana clips like this.
Yeah,
okay,
hell yeah. They put their hair up and shit like fuck that. I'm getting busy to this shit. They got their flip flops in their bag and shit.
I want all of y'all to make ponytails, but put the tube sock inside the ponytail.
Yeah.
Make that shit.
You know what I'm saying? I want you to be in the mirror with the toothbrush doing your baby hairs for an hour before the party.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
I want you to listen. I need you to. I want you to get that 1997 rock out. Listen, imagine you eating that pizza like yo. Go, Mero. Cook it up. Fuck it up. My love, you will find my heart. Ooh, that freestyle Pizza Zoo gotta happen. Freezer.
Woo! Damn. Branding. It's okay.
First pizza.
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta make sure it's wheelchair accessible. I want all your Haman, all your abuelas to be out there.
Word up, twerking,
Right?
twerking at the rascal scooter.
And if your abuela is really hot for some stupid reason, because your mother had you at 12 or 13, I mean, let's tell her come through.
You know what I mean?
She's like, I'm 35, but I'm still a grandma.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a grandma, but I ain't dead.
First pizza zoo, you could have 3 generations on the dance floor.
You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
Busting it wide.
Niggas went on vacation, but you know they didn't go on vacation? That sushi boy shit, yeah.
You already know.
Nasty, yeah.
Shit.
Oh.
There was a couple having sex on the beach when I was in Hawaii. I was smoking that mad blunt, like, yeah.
UTI's gonna be hitting.
I was like, they call it black sand for a reason, you know. Watch out, you're gonna get coral parts in your hoo-hoo.
He's like, I don't want to have sex on a black sand beach. It makes my cock look small.
You know what? Their black sand beach wasn't that black. What they consider black sand is
brownish?
Orchard Beach. It's very disappointing. I was like, what the fuck is this?
Yo, who cares though? Is the sand the same consistency like as white sand beaches?
Well, no, because some sand is
more fine.
More fine. Some I guess
granular.
black sand is like nappy sand. No, it's more jagged because like I think it's for volcanoes and stuff. Like they were explaining it, and I was like,
black skin bitchy.
not here to learn. Going underneath to get another Mai Tai. Let's go.
I don't give a fuck about rocks
or anything like that. They was like, this fish can only be seen on this island. I was like, I can only be seen on Showtime. How you feel? Fuck that fish. That fish got the number 1 show at late night. Let me drive this fucking boat.
Stupid.
They're like,
Just grab the boat, just spin the wheel mad fast like it's Wheel of Fortune and shit.
I was like, watch me wheelie this bitch.
Yo, I'm gonna do a donut, nigga.
I just run over mad other divers and shit. Just crash that shit on a coral reef and run away like that shit's GTA.
Yo, son, man, at the fucking, I went to the last tropical vacation I went on. I tried to drive a boat. We went out to do a little fake scuba dive, snorkeling or whatever. And the dude was just like, yeah, you can drive this shit for a second. And then I was fucking wasted. Yeah. And I grabbed the shit. I turned this shit mad sharp. He's like, give me shit back, nigga. Stop.
Oh shit. Snorkeling is like eating pussy. Snorkeling is like eating pussy.
Yeah.
That's what it is. This is about breath control.
Yeah. Just go in there, control your breathing. You know what I'm saying? You breathe through your mouth.
Yeah. So, you know, me as a Jamaican almost died. I was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, this multitasking.
That shit is deep as fuck. It's mad clear, but it's deep as fuck.
It's deep, and you can see your death.
Yeah.
I was like, you know what?
You be gassed because you're like, oh, I can see the bottom. It's mad shallow. And then you just jump in feet first, and then you're like, yeah.
At one point, there was like, the bottom's 40 feet deep. I was like, wow. I was like,
yo.
And the whole time in my head, all I kept thinking was like, if I die, Bodega Hive is gonna be so tight.
Yo, you nigga drowned.
I don't even care about no other shit. I was like, damn,
like,
you be like, this nigga died snorkeling. Are you serious?
I'm about to bury this nigga in his belly.
I feel like there's various, like, there's certain ways I could die that Bodega Hive would be like, all right, if you just found me dead in a hotel room one day, like, you'd be like,
they'd be like, yo, you know what?
I seen the trajectory. He had a good run.
Hey, you know what?
Here for a good time, not a lot of time. We're all riding on stolen horses.
All that shit.
Blah, blah, blah. Got shot.
Shootout. Yeah.
Like a nigga tried to rob me, and I was like, "What are you gonna do? Shoot me?" And I got shot.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me? Niggas like, actually, yes.
Bow.
I have no mask on, nigga. I'm
Number
ready.
3, I get ejected from the backseat of an Uber because I was too cool to put the seatbelt on. Happens. Totally could happen. Number 4, drunk, crushed to death at 14th Street. The train station with the metal thing.
Oh no! Yeah, you just walk in there, you listen to fucking.
I was listening to my own podcast.
Like,
I'm like, oh shit! Niggas doing AK.
Oh shit!
Oh my guts! Oh my god! Oh god! Pull it back! Man, people taking selfies with me like,
oh shit, yo, this
yo, Chipotle. I'm like, I'm dying, bro.
That's good.
Bro, oh shit, flick it up one time.
Oh, you want me to pull this metal thing?
Yeah. Oh fuck.
You want me to pull this metal thing back?
Oh fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me get the selfie first, quick.
Yo, one time.
There's blood coming out your eyes, though, real quick.
Shit.
Can you blink?
BX all day, bro. And number 5 is I have a manic episode and I run into a like tiger pit in the Bronx Zoo.
Oh shit!
What happened?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
your top 5 ways to die?
My 5 are all the same. I get high on angel dust, run into the fucking middle of the Route 80, and get cremated by a fucking car.
I feel like one day, like your neighbor's gonna forget you're his neighbor. Call the cops.
Like, yo, call police on this thing. Nah, shout out to the cops. Shout out to the Patels. Shout out to the Patels and shout out to Irv and Norma. You know what I'm saying? The old Jewish couple that live on the side. I used to be like, yo, fuck old people. Remember that I used to say, like, I don't eat shit prepared by old people?
Yeah,
like,
they can't wipe their asses.
They wipe their ass.
Yes.
Now, like, I'm starting to walk that back because I feel so bad for old people. Because I turned on the sprinklers in the front yard and the kids was playing in the sprinklers.
Mm-hmm.
My yard has no division between my property and my neighbor's property.
Mm-hmm.
So the old dude from the next door was standing out looking at a box. And I'm like, what is this motherfucker looking at, bro? Is he a weird, like a pedophile? Like, is he looking at my kids like shiny and wet in the sprinklers?
Yeah.
And he's like, I woke over and he's like, I'm trying to figure out how to turn on the sprinklers so the kids can use the whole entire space and have fun, you know? And I was like, damn, you old motherfucker. I was like, damn, that's mad sweet. You know what I'm saying? So he did that. Then the next day, the motherfucker falls down. And his wife comes to me and she's like, can you help me? Irv fell down. So I went over there and my man's just leaning up against like his car, like just like, yo, and I'm like, yo, I got you. And I picked him up. He's like, thank you so much. He's like, you're such a great neighbor. And the motherfucker sent a letter with a donation to my kid's college fund. I was like, yo, bruh, what? I was like, yo, son. I was like, yo, nah, stop. Turn the cameras off, bro. I'm gonna cry.
Boo! That's where you know. That's where you bro.
Shout out to Irvin
Boo
Norma.
this guy. Nah, boo that shit.
You know what that honestly
Boo
makes
that
me
shit. That
think
nigga
of?
mad pussy.
No. He's got mad perspective, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Older people have that. They're just
Or,
like, yo,
because you gotta
I
hit
can be
both
mad.
sides.
Yeah.
All I'm saying is, he might have just put a down payment on molesting one of your kids.
Oh no! Not Irv!
Irv sounds like a molestery name.
Come on, Irv! Not Irv! Irv's my guy!
Like, when you were picking him up, he winked at the wife.
Yo!
He's like, yeah, I'm in on these suckers.
Yo, Irv got Velcro shoes! Nigga, you can't
All
even get my kids a mess!
Yeah.
My
They
kids-
go on the bed and shit. She put a lotion on. She was like, you gonna touch these kids too, huh?
Oh, God!
That's how you do it, huh?
Irv Epstein? No! Nah, I love y'all, man. Shout out to Irv Norma.
He's like, it's not, Irv doesn't do it. It's Mr. Fun.
Yeah! Oh, shit. And the Patels is homie next door with the Tesla, who's always like telling me about the
That's
Tesla.
like a wild racist name, the Patels.
That's the family.
That's
You know
the
what I'm saying?
family?
It's the whole family. You know what I'm saying?
Here on the cul-de-sac.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
You know, in my building, this we got a new lawyer from like DC, and like it's a big deal that she's moving in or some shit because she was like yelling at movers and shit, and I had to flex on her in the elevator because I live on one of the higher floors.
Oh, excuse me.
Hey, you know,
Bitch, excuse me.
she thought I was like the Uber Eats delivery guy, and I was like,
You thought?
I was like, ma'am, my balcony puts a shadow on your whole floor.
So,
like, talk to me nice, and don't talk to me at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my sunglasses on so you don't look me in my eyes.
Also, because I've been
Regular?
traveling so much, I don't know what the fuck happened to Mac. He is now racist. My dog only barks at brown people. It is the most embarrassing shit ever. I have no idea. Listen. Like, I was like, okay, that seems weird. Like, we're just walking in the building and like, I see the doorman. Doorman's like, oh, what's up? Haven't seen? Oh, Mac, what's up? He's like, I was like, oh, shit. I was like, okay, that was weird. And he was like, oh, what happened? I was like, oh, he's been away. He has to, get acclimated or whatever. We're in the elevator with this white lady. He's like, he's like, top of the day, ma'am.
Oh, damn.
He's like, did you see that new article in The Guardian? Oh, I don't know. I'm like, okay, wow.
Wow,
We get off the floor and I see my man and he has his nephew. He's like, let me see your papers. I'm like, wow. Wow, look at this little ice mutt. So, all right. So I have to read him the 1619 project. I have to take him to the Schomburg now.
That's what you gotta feed your dog table food, man. If you would have fed the dog food, that's why Brown is an ally. I've been giving the table food seasoning.
Nah, fuck that.
You know what I'm saying? So
Chill.
She knows.
Brown, listen, Matt got Eric sermonized. I can't be feeding him regular food. I be in that Whole Foods press like, this shit is really $70 an ounce. He's like, yes, it is. He was like, you don't let your dog eat caviar? I was like, damn, that's crazy. That's what I mean. Like, why you trying to figure out? Like, some white guy just comes and goes 1, 2, 3 bags.
He's like, are you
gonna take that one?
You gonna take that one?
I'll take it 4.
Because
I don't need a cart. Just filling out my rings.
I felt like a herb because that shit happened to be at Whole Foods, and Shorty was like, "Are you gonna take all the oat milks?" Because I really was about to. They had like 6, and I was gonna take all of them shits.
Yeah,
and just keep them in the pantry. And Shorty was just like, Are you gonna? I was gonna do the same thing. That's all I drink. I was like, God damn, this is happening.
I bought it's basically it's a non-dairy Carvel flying saucer.
Non-dairy?
It's non-dairy though.
That shit is it's just, I don't know what it is. It's cancer, nigga.
I'm gonna eat it tonight because tonight is Friday, and worst come to worst, so I don't have to really leave the house for the weekend. But
fuck it.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Yo, some of this non-lactose shit is worse than actual lactose.
Yo,
at least with lactose, you know what you're gonna get. This other shit be like, yo, you're gonna grow an extra nipple.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, I don't know. Well, what's the process for taking lactose out of milk? Like, yo, how did y'all do that? You know what I'm saying? How's this lactate going to interact, you know what I'm saying, with fucking other drugs that I'm on?
Were we lactose intolerant in Africa?
You know what I'm saying? Never.
I don't think so.
You know what I'm saying?
So were we not drinking milk in Africa?
Because the black kings, we didn't eat cows. You know what I'm saying? Because they destroy the environment. You know what I'm saying? If you stop eating red meat, everybody go vegan right now, and you can save the world by going vegan.
That's right.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
If you go to Shake Shack right now, get the chicken sandwich instead of the meat,
you saving the world.
You saving 2 acres at the minimum.
At minimum. You know what I'm saying? And rainforest is on flames, nigga. You could only you can stop it by stop eating burgers.
If you want, buy a ticket to Brazil and bring a bucket. You know what I'm saying? And go to the beach and get the bucket and dump it on the rainwater.
Yo, you know it would be mad disrespectful to go to the rainforest with like a Big Mac and just sit there and eat the shit while like this shit burns around you. Next album cover, we doing it.
Wow. Why a Big Mac?
I don't know.
No,
it just came to my head.
You so
Oh, you know what it was? Because I heard Kobe talking shit about Shaq, and Shaq used to eat Big Macs in the training room. When they was together, you know what I'm saying, winning chips. And the nigga said in the interview, he's like, yo, if that nigga would have fucking dedicated himself and been in the gym, I would have won 12 rings.
All right.
But this nigga was mad fat, eating Big Macs and lazy, so I didn't win. And then Shaq was like, word, nigga? Like, maybe you should pass the ball, you fucking clown.
Wow.
That was it was intense. I wouldn't fight Shaq, though. That nigga's mad big.
I could see you sitting in a rainforest eating a plate of spaghetti.
With
watching that shit burn.
With plátanos. Don't forget it.
That shit is mad. I take a picture. Mad outrage on the internet.
Look at him. Look at him. That's a cast iron skillet.
My predecessor is done. He's done. How dare you?
Nigga, look at the picture and be like,
you know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny.
Just sitting
or
there.
anything.
He's not even doing it. He's not trying to put it out.
He's not even fucking hustling to fucking put a fire out.
Yo, it's your boy Jay-Z. I'm donating money to put out the fires.
That's right.
It's The Rock.
I'm on a natural journey.
You know what I'm saying?
I've forsaken haircuts and shape-ups in order to reduce my carbon footprint.
It's all right for ganja to burn, but not Brazil.
That's
You
right.
feel me? Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Sending Blue Ivy and Memphis Bleed down there with a fire's fleet of water.
You know what I'm saying? That's right. I got 2 fire extinguishers in every room.
I can't go because B doesn't trust me around those Brazilian chicks. You see what I did in the Big Pimpin' video? I'm nervous.
Yo, choke up, boom, tom, nigga. That's right.
Oh, Jesus.
That's right.
I want a little funk.
Yo.
It's crazy.
Niggas say, give me that funky stuff. Yo.
Ow.
Brazilian Pinot is wild.
Yes.
Segue.
Yes.
Brazilian Pinot is wild.
And so
Full stop.
Now that I think about, because this is over 20 years ago, but I used to purchase Brazilian Pinot.
Yo.
And they would send you shit. And I'm like, and you really sent back on the email, like, yo, what the fuck can I do with this? Like, yo, it just has like some chick getting her back blown out and she's screaming and the shit is super hot. And all you hear is, arf, arf.
What?
Arf.
What is that?
Arf.
What is that?
Arf. I'm like, yo, this shit is 35 minutes long. There's a dog barking in the background for the whole time.
There's a little kid holding a bucket of water watching the whole shit. Like, yo.
Arf. I'm like, what the you didn't hear the dog barking?
Yo.
They're like, no, it's good. It's good. They broke in English and shit. It's still good. She legal. I'm like, I know she's legal.
I know.
However, the dog.
That ass ain't not legal.
Okay.
It's not legal. That shit was made with Fix-A-Flat.
Jesus.
Yo.
And then like they're trying to upsell you with like more crazy shit. They'll be like, yo, so if you like this, bestiality allowed in 13 states. I'm like, all right. Like, first of all, how dare you? Number 2, please send the samples to my other Gmail.
To my Yahoo.
I was like, yo, that giraffe be the long neck? Yeah. Shit.
Imagine getting toppy from a giraffe.
Like, ow.
You'd be like, yo, shit, goddamn.
Also, if you get a toppy for a giraffe, the giraffe is gonna be like mad fucking like extra confident because he know.
Yo.
You like, that? Talking shit to you and shit.
You ever see a giraffe eating in the tree? How they wrap their tongue around a whole ass branch and shit? I'm like, yo.
The giraffe gonna make eye contact with you and shit, make you uncomfortable. Like, what's up?
Last time that
you
shit
ever had shit like that before?
I'm like, yo, only in Rivieras.
What's up? What's up? Don't come fast, nigga. You're like, oh shit.
Whoa.
Yo, excuse me. This is the Bronx Zoo.
Whoa.
It's a Wednesday.
Oh my God. Yo, it's free day. It's free day, but you paying. 50 roses, nigga.
You turn the fucking Bronx Zoo in the back page and shit.
Seal feeding time, and nigga, you just jerk over in the seal's mouth. What? Fuck,
you know what? I had something wilder to say, but you somehow exceeded that. Wow.
You fucking give a seal a cum shot. Hold that. Then he just pan out from the seal and shit. Like, they got folks still got cum on his face. Like, yo, like, I had a great time. Fade to black. That's how every Pinot ends. That's how every Pinot ends. Victor's over here rubbing his forehead because he knows. That's how every Pinot ends. When Victor comes through with the Warby Parkers, nigga, he's in serious.
When Victor comes with the Warby Parkers, there's the wild eye infection. This is day 4 of prednisone.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I'm mad loopy. No, but I'm more disturbed that you watched until the end. Really?
Yeah, who's doing that?
You're a fucking
you know what it is?
disgusting scumbag.
You know what?
If you're watching that shit,
You ever no.
You want to know how you know you're a terrible person?
Yeah.
If you ever been watching and the shit ends.
But that's
Not towards the ends. I mean, like the shit ends, show a logo, and the shit is done. Like the fucking Pornhub's like, what's up next? Nigga?
What's good, nigga?
They don't autoplay.
You want to rate this? You want to take a survey,
Right?
nigga?
Listen, the room's about to get dark.
Click an ad, nigga. What the fuck?
Comment or some shit. God damn. Shit like, yo, here's 4 more options. You like nasty shit like that? Here's 4 more nasty more shits. Shit, what more you want from me, nigga?
Yo. Oh my God.
I think Pornhub and all those sites, it's like, yo, we just stop after one. Because in theory, like if you addicted to porn, you would just sit there and just let it play for hours and die.
Yo, it's like YouTube.
Just die.
Like, fuck up your whole algorithm, nigga. By the time you come back, you're watching like an ogre, fucking 3D sprite. Like,
you get to that point in your life where you go to the site like, this nigga, they update.
No! You get to you like, yo, this, damn, it's the same. The first clip is the same one from yesterday. Yes! We jerking off on seals watching Pinot, nigga. What's up? To the end.
Shit. Most popular, top plays, most
trending, viral,
random, HD, long.
Yeah, you gotta set that filter, nigga.
Yeah.
10 minutes plus.
Miss me part that 6 minutes.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here with that fucking 58 seconds, nigga. The fuck is that gonna do for me?
I'm just getting warm. At 58 minutes, my dick just coming out with the roll coming down the fucking walkout music.
Nigga,
like, yo.
my dick is getting his hands taped in the back room, nigga.
Fucking Justin Bieber singing the national anthem and shit. Why she come out with the mask? Like, yo, to this day.
To this day, nigga, to this day.
How long you been beating your meat? To this day.
I'm a bad guy.
do.
Yeah. Oh, God. Shout out to the Beebs.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Nigga be like, yo.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
Yo, nah. The Bronx was lit. I forgot. I went there and I forgot
come
it was
out
lit.
like, yo, your wife's like, I'm going to the store for a second. You be like, open Pornhub, like.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. You're like, white shirt, now red. My buddy no sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. You think I'm a wild guy. Bad guy. They're actually beating to the bass line.
Bo, 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 bo.
So you're like, she's like 14. I don't know. We're joking on the song, not her.
We're joking off the Justin Bieber. He's legal.
Stick with the seal shit. Right? Stick with the seal shit. This nigga busted shots on Seal while she's singing like Kiss from a Rose. Nigga getting in the nooks and crannies. Niggas is back. What more you want? What you want for free? So the Knicks are credit. They gotta fix it.
They got English muffin. They got the English muffin face.
They got Thomas English muffin face.
That's the wild fucking. That's the wild fucking high school. Like, yo, look at this fucking English muffin face ass nigga.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Like a kiss from a rose.
Nigga look like he kissed a rose bush.
Wow.
Damn. Sorry, Seal. My bad, Seal.
Damn.
What's Seal doing right now? You got any new joints?
He got mad money.
He got mad money. You got any new joints? Some slappers?
He's the boy from what's her name? Gwyneth Paltrow, right?
Heidi Klum.
Yeah. Okay.
Close though.
Close. I mean,
very similar. Yakubi.
I try. I make not the most attempt.
You know what I'm saying?
I make some attempt.
It don't matter because you do what you want when you popping.
I mean,
Heidi Klum. She be doing the most though. Every Halloween she does the most. She dresses up as like some wild like Marvel character and goes like full body makeup and shit.
Is that what she does?
It's a lot. I'm like, yo, why can't you go to Party City like the rest of us? Like, you know what I'm saying?
It's almost Party City time. It's almost time for Party City.
Word up.
You know what it is.
You already know what it is. Your boy's coming back out. I'm gonna be Pumpkinhead Man for the 10th year in a row. Let's go.
Huh?
Isn't Party City closing down?
Well, no. When we say Party City, we mean any store that sells mad costumes. Like, it's not official.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Damn. That's
but all those places that used to be tax places are now like you buy your Halloween costume there now. So okay.
Them shits, yo, them tax places go from being a Halloween store to a fucking pizza place to a Christmas store to a fucking tax place.
You gotta have a Christmas store. Yeah. Might be a sample store up in that bitch. The top 5 Halloween costumes this season. The Get Out, not Get Out. What is it, Us? The Jordan Peele shit. Red jumpsuit, golden soldiers, super easy.
Yeah.
Probably Kim K and them again.
Yeah. And the kids.
Who else? Probably Us.
I'd be lit.
Yeah. Who else?
Sonic the Hedgehog, the live version.
The live version, yeah.
The first one that was mad creepy
with the teeth.
Yeah.
I
think it's Sonic had teeth.
And number 5 is probably
Scream Mask.
Jeffrey Epstein. Oh shit! Y'all in episode 168. Sitting on that wood. Yo, with your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle. Okay, Pocket stay fat like Tyrio, aka Pocket fade fat like. Here we go. Yay! Yo, some of that might know you, bitch. Young Hot Take. DJ, Young Day Party, DJ, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Rodando, Mil Novus in the event they caught the Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC looking good, Pete pulling up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool, cause why?
I don't fucking know, yo.
Shout out to my Uber driver in Hawaii, who I got in his car, and he was like, I have paralyzed vocal cord, I can't talk to you. And I was like, oh shit.
That should be a requirement for Uber drivers.
He still talked to me.
He's like, I used to love to swing.
I was like,
can never swing again.
Nah, he wanted to tell me about Hawaii. It was like a 40-minute ride. I was like, fine.
Okay,
I was like, you got it, Chief. You got a big man.
Yeah, all right.
Like a hiney hoe. The original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss on. These Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Woo. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa. That goes to Mufasa. Young Charcuterie out the coonery. Okay, Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Hey, Papi.
Papi. Also, shout out to Houston. The Bodega Boys in Houston came out. Listen. Held it down. Shit was popping. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Texas. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we come through.
You know what I'm saying?
Dallas next.
You know what I'm saying?
Or do we do Dallas?
Dallas. And we're going to Houston next.
I'm a little smacky.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to Dallas.
Shout out to Austin.
You know what I'm saying? We coming through.
coming through Texas.
3-Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups. They're gonna cook me in Houston when I go there because you went to the wrong town.
Stupid nigga, fuck that.
Fuck that. I'm still mad that you gotta beat the Knicks. You and Dr. Bonds label dilute. Dean out of the trap, Mr. 240 guy about Pinot Blurry. DJ Wool, if you listen to Wash FM. Up next, we got a song that your father probably grinded to your mother and made you to.
Shit.
You know what it is.
Oh, hey. God damn.
All the way live from New York City.
Woo.
It's a bit more grab I can get busy.
Yes, you can.
You know what I can do with the mic in my hand.
What? Oh, Baba.
All right, that's how you know that a Fat Man Scoop. That's how you know you at Wad Fest.
Oh man,
that's when you say your father gonna go too wild. He might do a front flip, hurt his back.
Yeah,
now he gonna lose his good postal job.
Oh damn,
family gotta cut back on shit.
Damn, nice.
Now you just eating chicken thighs. You want this life?
Bone in.
They in the supermarket. They not buying the one that's $6.07. They buying the one that's $5.47.
This shit is looking a little metallic already.
Got a little more liquid at the bottom. But you know what? This is what we got to do now. Cause Poppy can't work. Wait for that check.
Yeah.
Hate to see it. The cover gold, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't continue. Demon Mermaid, where the job? Young Aaron, the racing provocateur, Henrik Blake Coast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio. Can't see me.
No, he's invisible.
That's right. Vladimir Buffin, the human murder is melting in your mouth. Is it butter? Is it scotch? Is it butterscotch? Is this what Scotch people taste like?
Oh,
fucking butterscotch. Also, by the way,
that shit is a caramel's cousin that we do not acknowledge.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Get him out of here.
Wow,
it's not part of the gang.
So sad.
It's the ops.
Just at the funeral and shit.
Like yo.
Caramel, come over here. You can't come over here. You're not part of the family.
You're not part of the family.
It's family only.
Family only.
Get over here.
Get out of there.
Get out of here.
Go back to Scotland.
Fuck out of here. Go stand with the baker's chocolate over there.
Baker's chocolate is the worst. As a kid, I used to bite that shit thinking it was going to be
good time. She was like, you thought,
nigga? You was drinking cow nuts in your mouth?
I'm like, also, Baker's chocolate is like a straight hot bag for a dog.
Yo.
Like, your dog don't even go to the fucking bag. Like, I can just foam in the mouth. You just gotta toss that nigga in a dumpster. Like,
yo,
this is a learning lesson.
Oh well,
shit. Oh my God, Mr. Bexar Deckerton, Ricky Scroggy, Greg More say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not your Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Whoa.
The juice of press, but your boy never is.
God
I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of news. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova, Cash Nova. We made $10, $10, forget the small change.
What you want?
Big money. The only thing my salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker has me at square one, top left, man's is
Don't cheese me, bro.
Children's do the holy cow. Mr. Topicals, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Yeah.
David Ehrman. Yeah. You want to see a bracelet made from reclaimed driftwood? Yeah. This is red, but this is Smoke Keem, Noah. Smoking on that loud, that pecky ow. That DAC that comes right through the to-me. You know what I'm saying? When you see it on the conveyor belt and the door goes, oh, you know that's my bag. Andrew Kuhn in it. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Palm.
Yo, sit on there. No wireless charging.
Call me Peckle because I got your bitch on freeze. Ow! I'm gonna call him like Simba from The Lion King. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the one with 791. That's right. I'm gonna take a wild dump in the bathroom and let the door keep sliding in and out.
I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a shit. AK Grandpa Joe, because if you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Him over there. He took the shit in the toilet. Hey, didn't close the door. Disgusting.
Look at him.
It smells like ramen. You dead-eyed man, dead-eyed Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Got any more of that vaccine? Need some I got Sessorella on my dick.
Got a little polio.
You know, just feeling a little polio. Been shopping in the street easy like I'm bad beats, like I'm easy. Please believe me. When I drop $5.4 million on a one-room bed shack on Bronx Boulevard against my accountant's wishes. Just know I was going with my gut.
I still think it's a good investment.
What do you mean it's not a good investment?
I mean, it's really dilapidated.
It's right next to the bridge.
I mean, you got to put a lot of work into it. I mean, I would argue that that's actually a disadvantage.
It's
a
right
lot
next
of traffic.
to the, it's 4 blocks away from a Shake Shack. Get the fuck out of here! You don't know nothing.
I mean, red meat's just, it's bad for you.
I need you to take 90% of my portfolio and invest in Popeye sandwiches.
That's a terrible idea, but sure.
Okay, thank you. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina, with Fresh Miss Marina, Code Demeanor. Hey, can you buy some fridges to put those sandwiches in? Matter of fact, I'm gonna just buy an apartment just for the sandwiches. How about that?
I mean, look, you're a grown man. I can only offer advice. So far, the past 10 things that you've told me are the on-ramp to the roadway to ruin.
Let me ask you something. How much a panda gallbladder goes for? And do you know a guy? Because I got a fucking ice.
You know what? I don't feel comfortable discussing that. That's
I paid for it in 30,000 Bitcoin. And
oh wow, okay. You know, the whole point of me being your accountant is that hey,
yeah. See, ooh, embarrassing. That's Raul from Bucharest.
Oh
yeah, I told him you're in charge of my money, and I'm just gonna jump out the window now. So yeet.
Hello, my friend. Do you have money?
Nah, I mean, yes, yes. Of course, I have money. If I want.
Which knee do you use?
Both of them. Fuck! Just don't shoot my dick, please. My dick.
And your hand for the Sabbath. Now you do no work.
You fucking goy.
There you go. Juice the Peace Theater. Come to the synagogue in East Tremont.
That's right.
Turn 4 on Route 4.
This is a weird version of Fiddler on the Roof, but fuck it.
If I was a rich nigga,
Don't let Tim Vocals hear that.
my dreidel spins like a 4 or 5. Sheet mask killer. No one could be iller. The Black Zach Morris of where? Port Morris.
That's right.
AKA Problematic Bay. Listen.
Talk to him.
Listen.
Just tell him.
If you're gonna shoot someone, you might as well cut their body up.
Straight up.
You know what I'm saying?
Am I wrong?
I mean,
listen.
You're gonna make more work for the sanitation department?
Life is all about experiences.
Come on, man.
Listen, that's how I fight the Amazon rainforest.
Taxes are gonna go up.
Exactly.
You just leave that body there. That's sanitation, NYPD, fire department, EMC,
Listen.
all that. You can just chop shit up yourself, throw it in the
Chop
river.
shit up.
You know what I'm saying?
If you,
Feed
can
the
eat,
fish.
if you could eat a chopped cheese, you can chop a body.
That's right. Facts. You know what I'm saying?
Up next,
It's your boy.
we got the pride of DR.
Yeah.
The only person that got suspended. Only person that got suspended for PEDs from MLB and never even played in MLB.
Niggas suspended me from Twitter for using PEDs. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? About PEDs, I mean Angel does. You know what I'm saying? She play AK the Kid Mero. AK the Human
That's
Direct.
fast.
AK Donovan McDab, nigga. AK Curve got AK Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AK skirt loader, hop the curb, hit you fucking chihuahua and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. Yo quiero Taco Bell? That's racist. You know what I'm saying? AK, I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AK, you know, need just check the guest list, nigga. I am the guest list. I played the fucking desk lamp and the brave little toaster, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Show me some fucking respect. Check my fucking IMDb credits, you coward. You know what I'm saying? Yo, nigga, throw this nigga off the fucking White Stone, B. I'm not fucking playing no more. Fuck, tight. AK CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Catch me in my fucking basement doing concentrated shots of THC to the noggin, son. Then going upstairs and watching Nick Jr. for hours without my kids. I don't even know where they are right now.
I was so smacked the other day. I thought Nick Jr. was a channel for young Nick fans.
Have you never seen a playoff win in your entire life? This is the channel for you. Hooray!
This is a basketball crying like, John Starks, please stop shooting. Stop shooting.
Stop. Think of the Blues Clues dog comes out. He's like, stop shooting. He's like, oh, it's 0 for 17. Okay, get to the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmacked. You know what I'm saying? Holla. My portfolio is very diverse with various strands of marijuana, juana. You know what I'm saying? AK, you know what I'm saying? I got my kids taking preseason snaps, catching 3-yard checkdowns from Daniel Jones, you know what I'm saying? Then busting it out for 40 yards after
after the catch. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. Stupid. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Biembo. AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your baby. Talking about, you know, come with this pussy. No more. This pussy don't belong to me. Actually, it does not belong to me. It belongs to So I respect our agency and request consent. You must. Thank you. AKA David Schwartzel, nigga. Pow, pow, nigga. Take that for data. We got all the power forwards in the fucking league, nigga. We got all the Morris twins. I don't even know how many they are, but we got them all. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow's antenna. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And then I design some women's shoes on the side. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again, motherfucker. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and ask how the kids are doing. Edward, you like your little fucking job here at this little Walmart, you fucking clown?
That's right. I just need it for my insulin.
Yeah, well, you know what? Stop fucking giving me problems. Swipe my fucking card. Make sure the shit works.
You're really gonna get me fired? Like I need. I need.
I will call your fucking management right now if you do not put this fucking 30-gallon cooler in this truck and let's go.
You know, you really changed. Like I remember.
Let's fucking go, Edward.
I used to read like Victory Light and stuff.
Hey, well, you know what? I was fucking very broke and angry then. Now, now I got money.
Now you just seem like kind of like a sellout. And
well, guess what? I sold up, nigga. So put the fucking cooler in the truck. Keep it moving. Stop.
You know what?
Stop.
I once read in Reader's Digest, you should never meet your heroes. And now that I have, like...
Yeah, I just dunked on you mentally.
Can I show you something?
That's what happened. What?
Can I show you something?
What you got?
This is a tattoo I got of your face. I met you at Fool's Gold.
Oh, wow.
Like, you changed my life. I was going to kill myself.
Oh, damn. I'm so sorry, dog.
No, it's all right. Because you said you dunked on me mentally. So I'm just going to put this in your car. And
relax. Nah, damn. I feel terrible.
Well, I mean, like, you should. You're a piece of shit. Like, you're just garbage. Like... You should kill yourself. Like, why do you even live?
You're right.
You should do, like, we have shotguns in the back. Like, just blow your brains out.
Do you want to do it together? Let's do it together.
No, I have something to live for. You don't, you piece of garbage. Die.
Damn.
I'm going to go do a mass shooting now.
Okay, cool. Yo, hit that! AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Yeah, me and Stevie B Trish your titi. You feel me, nigga? I don't care. I got Chelsea boots. Find me on Grand Concourse, nigga. I dare you. Yo, okay. Let me touch you. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and sing a five. And thank God I was high, dog, because I had to take a dead rabbit out of my pool yesterday, and if I would not have been high, I would not have been able to do it.
This is the third time you mentioned this dead rabbit. And it's crazy.
Every time I close my eyes, I see it.
Pardon? Crazy statement, sir.
It's wild.
No, because what's going to happen is eventually this podcast is going to get transmitted to a written form, like the Canterbury Tales. People in college are going to read this, and they're going to be like, "What the fuck does the dead rabbit symbolize?
What does it symbolize?
Does it your anxiety?
Yo, I don't understand.
You got to take a dead rabbit out the pool. Let's explore it.
Let's unpack it.
Let's explore it. Okay, rabbits traditionally are the sign of fertility.
Fertility, yeah. You have bad
Got
kids.
it.
He has 4 kids. He's fertile.
You're afraid. The dead rabbit is your fear of the vasectomy.
Oh, that's what it is.
Boom.
A+. Got it. Boom. English 101, suck my dick.
Yo, the writers on this show are getting lazy.
AKA Tom Brady, you know what I'm saying? Remember the Table Shower Boys with my man Bobby Kraft, you know what I'm saying? We getting our balls deflated and we out here, you know what I'm saying?
Get the taint.
You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, hit the gooch, hit the gooch. I'm friends with Gucci, man, but hit the gooch. Hit the gooch, man.
Hit the gooch. Oh, hit the gooch.
Hey, nigga, Bobby Kraft started having dance going hit the gooch. He's like, hit the gooch. Hey, hit the gooch. Hey, gooch. Oh my God, what is happening? Oh God. AKA Phil S. Tyson. I'm gonna explore your cosmos, but consensually. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how we do. AKA Lil Susie for a first nigga to tap on live. If you see me on Instagram live, stay on. You're in for a treat. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Best MVP of Gelato. AKA Zeno Bedingfield. Now you gotta get some sex. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship, nigga. They got one in the Bronx now, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna wait for the food pending rating to go up until we go there. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll reanimate Walt Disney using only an empty Gatorade bottle and a Popeye's chicken sandwich. He immediately called Kanye the N-word upon reanimation. See? For a second, you forgot Trump was president. You're welcome. You cowards. Candy, get the strap. AKA, I'll bring you Minister Kevin. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hide your benzos. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from a bus shelter on Southern Boulevard, it's the East Stream on Stevie V doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Club, don't let me lean. Woo. You know what I'm saying? So my flow on the tracks and perish. You know what I'm saying? AKA listen, mate. You know what I'm saying? We're doing a lot of traveling, a lot of touring. You know, because we're 2 rock stars. So there's only 2 rock stars left, mate. All these other clowns doing festivals, mate, with finish, you know, with a bunch of garbage acts, you know. We're going on tour solo. We don't have openers, mate.
No openers.
No openers, mate.
No openers.
Just us. High tea, you know. The only 2 rock stars left, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a Panamera full of choppies and some chopped cheese. You know what I'm saying? AKA, my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? He said, you know what I'm saying? Because he spells gorilla with an ER. You know what I'm saying? AKA chillin' at the crib of edibles, waiting for LeBron to call. It's Barmelo's Anthony! For 3! Bang! Oh shit, no, that was just a busy signal. Yo, fam, listen. If you see me at Target higher than Michael Anthony leaning in his mom's Camry in the parking lot, approach me like a motherfucking Ursine mammal, dog. You know what I'm saying? Because I may react erratically. You dig? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. I'm here for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over. They don't have openers, but I have an opener. His name is Mr. Fun Fun. I'm going to be in the van. Fun Fun, take it away.
I'm not Justin Bieber, I smell like syrup. No, not there. Lower.
Yeah, lower. Yeah, lower.
Just move my maple leaf. You want to taste my protein?
I'm so fake DJ famous hardcore rapper. He's like, I've been made fruit punch a Sudafed, nigga. I don't even know if they make Sudafed anymore, but they do because Lil Pump needs to drop albums.
Yeah.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño. Ahora la envidia lo que está dejando loco. Hay mamagüevos que me tiran y yo ni lo conozco. Tú quillao y yo tranquilo. Estoy pegado, no hay que decirlo.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying? Pero lo dije anyway, para ponerte claro, mamá huevo. Sigue tirando tu pullita por las redes sociales, lambón. Que fácil te agarran 5 tigres del patio que no hablan ni papa de inglés y te vuelven un fucking asopado machetazo. Como siempre, shout out a la casa Showtime, shout out a Cash Shop, you know what I'm saying? Shout out a Hasan, que por la nota siempre, Víctor la máquina, you know what I'm saying? La nena de la bodega, da y Vicky, que Vicky, yo no sé, está por ahí, en la isla de Fentanil. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out mi presidente Pío, con el cañón, sobao, activo, para la defensa. I'm a fucking baby, me quité, ya.
There's the point where I grab my margarita and like run. I'm like, go into my room. Something bad's gonna happen.
Something bad's
gonna happen. Yo, it's been episode 168 of the most dating. Can you even call it the most? It's not the most dating. You know what? The uncancelable. No, that's whack.
The uncanny. I thought you were gonna say the uncanny. I was like, yeah, like
the uncanny.
The
yeah,
uncanny.
That's right. The uncanny. The X-Men. We're from the Bronx.
That's right.
X-Men. There you go. Also, my father is Xavier McDaniels. So, shout out to Showtime. We'll be back in a bit. Desus and Mero, number show late night. You know this. You guys asked for your podcast. It's your fucking podcast.
Enjoy.
You happy?
It's mainline it.
Damn, Gina, are you happy?
Put it straight in your veins.
Shout out to Cash App and shout out to Narcan. Still saving lives out here.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the, yeah.
Okay.
Shout out to Narcan, baby.
If you need a good chicken sandwich, let me explain something to you. Yo, if you go to C-Town after they close. Or the chicken they didn't sell is for free in the dumpster.
That's right.
Make your own fucking chicken sandwich. Boom.
Save the rainforest. Become freegan.
Saving boys. There you go. A little salmonella just gives you character. We out. Holla.